If you've been scrolling through TikTok or Instagram lately, chances are you've seen ads for the Titachef Cutting Board, this shiny, futuristic looking slab that promises to be the last cutting board you'll ever need. But is it actually worth your money? Or is the whole thing just a cleverly packaged scam? Let's break it down. So, Titachef claims their board is made from 100% medical grade titanium. That sounds incredible, space age even. According to their marketing, it's antibacterial, odor resistant, stain proof, rust proof, dishwasher safe, and somehow still gentle on your knives. They even say it'll keep your blades sharp, which is a huge selling point for anyone who cooks regularly. But here's where things start to fall apart. Professional chefs, knife experts, and even everyday users on Reddit agree on one thing. Metal cutting boards are a knife's worst enemy. Titanium is extremely hard, and cutting on it will dull your blades faster than almost anything else you could use in a kitchen. So the idea that it protects your knives is not just misleading, it's the opposite of what actually happens. And then there's the company itself. Their website is loaded with glowing 5-star reviews and a heartwarming backstory about a founder named Amazon Carter. The problem? There's no trace of this person anywhere. No business records, no interviews, no presence, nothing. That's a major red flag. But it gets even better. If you look beyond the flashy ads, you can find the exact same cutting board on wholesale sites like Alibaba for about $2. Some listings even reveal that the boards are stainless steel with a titanium coating, not solid titanium like Titachef claims. Meanwhile, Titachef sells theirs for nearly $60. That's a markup of over 2,000% for a product that isn't even what it claims to be. Add in the fake sounding founder, questionable reviews, and misleading claims, and the picture becomes pretty clear. This isn't a high-tech kitchen innovation. It's a cheap product being drop-shipped with premium branding and aggressive marketing. If you actually want a cutting board that's safe, durable, and won't destroy your knives, stick with wood or high-quality rubber boards. They're tried, tested, and trusted for a reason. So, Titachef Cutting Board. Scam or legit? Let's just say the red flags speak for themselves. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real reviews, and save your money for something that actually works.